Hi, Jael! Congratulations! Grabe, kakasal ka na. Parang kailan lang yun nung sinabi mo sa akin na may boyfriend ka na. And first boyfriend mo yun. Kaya nagulat talaga ako. Pero at the same time, super happy ako for you. Ang cute-cute niyo ni Josh. And ang wish ko na lang siguro para sa inyo ay isang lifetime na full of love and full of genuine happiness. Ayun lang. Congratulations ulit. You guys deserve one another. I'm sure it's a beautiful wedding and it will be a beautiful marriage too. Congratulations ulit! Bye! I miss you!
Hi, Jael and Josh! Congrats and best wishes!
Welcome to the married life!
We miss you!
Hello, Jaelim, and to everyone at Jael's Bridal Bash. I hope you're enjoying your day, Jael, and I'm doing a video greeting for you kasi kinulit nila akong mag-video for you. Eme lang. Well, I'm gonna be doing a video greeting anyways because I'm not gonna be there physically because I'm not gonna be able to attend kasi nga my work, si girl, hindi pinayagan mag-annual leave. So, yun, I'll be not physically present unfortunately today and sa wedding nyo, ni Josh. But I hope you're enjoying today kasi nag-prepare sila. Everyone did something special for you today. They made such great efforts para paghandaan tong day na to. Yan, si Claire, si Joanne, si Abby, si Icon, si Roby, si Beth, si Christian. So, yon sir, meron silang spreadsheet dyan, tsaka Excel. Di ko lang nabasa ng bongga kasi nga busy si girl sa work. So, yon So, I'm so happy that you'll be the first one sa high school friends na ikakasal. I don't know what to say, lalo na ad-lib siguro. Up to this point, nakakailang video na ako. And yun, so siguro I'm gonna wish you well na lang. Wish you well with everything. Hopefully everything goes smoothly at the wedding. Wag kang bridezilla. Well, I'm pretty sure chill ka naman. So, yun. And ano pa ba? Sana everything works smoothly sa wedding and everyone would enjoy for sure. Everyone would make it memorable for you and Josh, and sana ma-enjoy mo ng bongga and lasting memories. And ang hirap talaga ng ad-lib, wala akong maisip sabihin. Anyways, puro na lang ang nasabi ni girl. Pang ko na ata to, 8 take. But anyways, ang sasabihin ko lang lastly is hopefully you have like a happy marriage and honeymoon phase soon na yan. Very excited ka na ba? Feeling ko si Josh very excited na. But requesting everyone, let's cheers to Jael and get your glasses, fill it up with beer, fill it up with wine, fill it up with spirits. Kung gusto nyong shot lang, shot na kayo dyan. And let's raise our glasses for Jaelim. And cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers for today, cheers for the wedding day, and happy marriage! Yun lang. Cheers! Love you, Jael!
Hi, Jael. Dalaga ka na. Debut pala. Hindi, I just wanna say congratulations to you and Josh. Best wishes sa newlyweds. And I'm so happy for you guys. Na-witness ko naman yung relationship nyo nung nandyan pa ako. And I know you are so happy together. And I wish I could be there to celebrate. Pero video muna. Hope to see you soon. And magsaya lang kayo. Sana mas maging in love pa kayo sa isa. And sana mas ma-discover nyo pa isa't isa. And ayun, sana soon meron ng little Jael or little Josh. And all the best.
Hi, Ja. I know this is one of the moments you've been dreaming of. Ang wish ko sa inyo is lifetime full of love, happiness, and laughter as you begin this journey together. Yun lang. Congratulations and best wishes, Ja and Jo. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hi! Congrats, Jael and Josh! Sana mas sumaya pa kayo as husband and wife. Magko-congrats din daw sa'yo sila, mami.
Hi, Jael. Super proud of you and super happy for you na you found the one. I'm sure sobrang happy rin yung younger you. And lagi kong sinasabi sa mga family friends ko, don't strive to have the perfect relationship. Just strive to always make it work. Kasi wala namang perfect. Ayun lang. Have a really nice wedding. Okay? Love you and congrats.
Hi Gia! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. Wish ko matupad lahat ng wish mo. Congratulations and best wishes on your wedding. Super happy ako to be one of the people na naka-witness ng love story ni Josh. Nandito lang ako pag may kailangan kayo, maliban lang sa pera. Sana maging friends pa tayo for a very, very, very long time. Yun lang. Love you both so much. Bye!
Congrats on your wedding. Sana more love. Wala na sabihin. Congrats, I love you.
Hi, Gia.
Welcome to the
Welcome to the family.
Hello, Ja. Hindi ko alam anong sasabihin ko eh. Pero, enjoy mo lang ang mga bagay-bagay. Alam mo na nandito lang si kuya mo every time. Yung naman, year-end party namin ngayon eh. Yun lang. Mag-iingat ka palagi and sana maging okay kayo ni Josh hanggang kung kailan man. Yun lang. Enjoy. See you in some days. Love you.
Hi, Ja. The kaiyang-iyangan in the bibim of the family. Bibim kasi bunso. But happy shower day. Sana enjoyin mo yung bridal shower mo today. And I'm so proud of the woman you have become now. So, cheers to the happily ever after you will be building with Josh. Just remember that ate is literally just steps away every time you need anything na pwede nating pag-usapan or anything na you need guidance or support, alam mo namang nandito lang ako. No judgments, no anything. Still, I'm your ate for everything naman. So, yeah, hope you enjoy today and I'm so excited to see you on the D-Day. I'm excited to see you as a bride. I love you!
Hi, Gia. Oh, it's my pleasure to have a video like this. Ang message ko sa'yo ay kasi ito ay yung longest stage ng life natin, yung next journey, your marriage. Ngayon, it's not easy. The hardest stage of our life. Pero nasa sayo yan kung anong paano mo i-manage yung buhay ng may asawa. Minsan, masaya. Minsan, nakakapagod. Pero, mas maganda naman para maramdaman mo yung minsan mas maganda pag nararamdaman mo ang napapagod, na-challenge, ganun. Sa mga buhay, part ng life yan. Always remember that life is not perfect because we are not perfect. So, always ask God's guidance and kung papaanong basta you trust God about what's going on and everything what you are doing. Lagi kang positive, lagi tayong positive para maganda ang result. Anyway, congratulations, anak. I've been so proud of you. You make me so proud. And also, Diyos, congratulations. Sana magbigayan kayo, magmahalan, and mag-unawaan parati. And there's no such formula as good marriage life. Nasa sa inyo yan. Good luck, and I wish you happiness always. I love you, anak. I love you both. Bye. Si Papa naman.
Okay. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Parang kailan lang ang mabait at patapang kong anak ay nag-aaral pa lamang. Nakita ko sa kanya ang lalim niyang mag-isip. May talino at marunong makisama. Hanggang sa makatapos at makapasa sa board exam bilang CPA. Nagtrabaho at kumita ang sarili niyang pera hanggang nakakita ng kanyang mahal sa buhay at yun ay si Diyos. Bilang ama, ang tungkulin ko lang naman ay pangalagaan siya at protektahan sa lahat ng bagay. Alam kong masaya siya, kaya wala akong karapatang tumutol sa kanyang gusto. At sa January 2, 2025 nga, ay nagpasya sila na magpakasal na. Masaya ako dahil alam ko na kaya na nilang tumayo sa kanyang sariling paa. And marriage is a career and obligation. Diyan mo masusubok ang diskarte mo at pasensya pagdating sa pagpapamilya. At yan ay tinuro namin sa iyo, Gia. Go! Pakita mo sa amin ang galing mo sa buhay. Sa inyo, Diyos at Gia, good luck sa tatahakin ninyong buhay may asawa. Kaya ninyo yan. Lagi ninyong isipin ang unawa, pasensya, at pagmamahal. God bless you. Andito lang kami lagi ni Mama, nakasubaybay pa rin hanggang kaya namin. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa and best wishes. Okay?
Hi, baby. I hope you're having fun, and I hope you're taking the rest that you need before our wedding day. And I'm sorry for giving you one of the most stressful Decembers na dapat nag-celebrate na tayo. Pero hindi ka na eh. Kasal pa kasi. No? Pero umuo ka naman. So, wala na rin choice. And I can't wait to share and build a life with you. And to make all our dreams possible. And I can't wait to go home to you every day. And I'm sure yun din ang gusto mo. Yun. I'll save the rest for the wedding vows naman. And enjoy. And I'll see you soon. And I love you.